Hello everyone, I'm Mr. Donlon, and today we're going to check out how to use some blending features to create a cover. So I have this recent cover image that I used for one of my videos, and we have a couple things here that are all sort of overlaid on top of each other. You can kind of see how this this sort of text kind of thing right here. You can see how this is very carefully placed so that it kind of captures a lot of the color. Same here, I use some shadows here. And then of course this image, we have the background, you know, the real sci-fi, the real space kind of coming alive back there. And you can see it through the through parts of the text here. But the real clever one that I think is a great feature to practice, to get used to using, is this form of overlay over here, which is actually a very trial and error sort of picked out color burn that goes over the image. So what we're going to do here is we're going to go ahead and check out how that works. So let's click on the blending mode real fast. You can see how this kind of changes as I go to, whoa. You can see how this sort of changes as I go to choose different features. But the real interesting one here is going to be if you click on this here and kind of scroll on up to your blending options, you're going to get this little pop-up window that'll really help you try to figure out how exactly you want this to appear over the overall image. So the opacity is going to really give a lot of more natural look to it. You can kind of change around which colors are going to blend and which colors are not. And I highly recommend doing this over just like placing the image and just sort of, you know, making sure that it's a transparent background and that it's visible. This is how something can kind of flow a little bit more naturally, a little more subtly, and in a way it really adds a you know, kind of a more signature to whatever image that you're working with. So that's pretty much it for today. Hopefully now you can use some more blending options and come up with something on your own.